Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TGTV. And today I am reporting from Panama City. And we just checked into Aloft Panama City. Aloft Panama. I've never seen an Aloft before. It is part of the Marriott group of hotels, so that's usually a green flag. There's a little fridge. So I'm just giving you guys a quick room tour here, as usual. Aloft Panama City. Check-in was good, service was good. The gentleman who checked me in was very friendly and helpful. Don't hang anything up there, guys. Okay? Just letting you know. Pretty helpful, friendly. It has this interesting, young, modern, funky feel to it in the lobby. It's kind of cool. Don't mind it. And this Aloft is in the same building where it's connected to the Sheraton Grand Panama. And here's the bathroom. Interesting choice of tile on the wall. That's a huge shower, huge walk-in shower. No bathtub. So I guess this is not necessarily family friendly if you have kids. There's some stains there, but it could be grout stains or something. So it seems to be pretty clean. And here you got the bed. So this time I got a king size bed instead of 2 double beds. That's actually a cool picture of Panama City. I like it. As far as views are concerned, could be worse. There's a building right in front of us here. Seems to be more modern. That's an interesting alarm clock. It's clean. It's spacious. It's actually a lot more spacious than what I expected. These desks are beat up a bit, but whatever. This is cool. Very useful. Has anybody stayed here at the Aloft before? Has anybody stayed at a different Aloft? This is a whole new concept to me. It's the first time staying at an Aloft property. But so far so good, I would say. Tomorrow morning I'll find out about the breakfast. Let me know in the comment section if you've stayed at Aloft before, if there's a specific Aloft property I should be staying away from. The Sheraton Grand next door is pretty good. I did like it. It has a little bit of that old school touch to it. Big pool. The buffet in the basement or on the pool level was pretty good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. There's going to be way more videos. Lots more coming down the pipe. Muchas gracias por venir. Adiós.